Animal tissue. How many types of animal tissue? How many
Four
types
types,
of
ma'am.
animal tissue? Four.
Four
What are
types.
they? What are they? Tarun, Karthik. How many types of animal tissue? Purushothaman, Kaushik Babu, Pavan Kumar, Dilip Chakravarti. There are four types of animal tissue: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, and muscle tissue. A group of similar cells working together to form the tissues. A group of cells is called as tissues. Epithelial tissue is present in skin, hair, fingernails, and connective tissue is present in bone, blood, cartilage. And nervous tissue is present in brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Spinal cord is also called as second brain. Next, muscle tissue. The muscle tissue is present in lips, heart, and stomach. Next, blood cells. The blood contains plasma. Plasma is a watery fluid. It contains calcium, salts, and carbon dioxide. Next one is the red blood cells. The red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to our body parts. And white blood cells, the white blood cells, it is also called as leukocytes. What is the lifespan of white blood cells? What is the lifespan of Nana? What is the lifespan of white blood cells?
15
What
to
is the
20 days.
lifespan of red blood cells? Red blood cells are also
120.
called as erythrocytes, and white blood cells are also called as leukocytes. The lifespan of red blood cells, 120 days. Very good. And what is the lifespan of white blood cells?
10 to 20 days. 15 to 20 days.
15 to
20 days.
next, platelets. Platelets. What is the function of platelets?
Produce clots when blood is
Clots when blood is
damaged.
damaged. Okay, next. Next one is bone. Bone is also tissue and it forms a frame network to support to the body, and it is a major component of the skeletal system of several vertebrates. Vertebrate means it is containing a skeletal system. Next, the bone is made up of calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. Bone is made up of calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate, and the salts is secreted by osteocytes. The salts is secreted by osteocytes, and then these cells are present in the central hollow portion of the bone. It is called as bone marrow. This is the bone marrow.
Bone marrow.
See the diagram. This is the
Bone
central
marrow.
hollow portion of the bone is called as bone marrow. This is the bone marrow. Next, cartilage. Cartilage is also a type of connective tissue. It is found in the joints of the bones. Where is it present, ma?
Joints of the
It is
bones.
found in the joints of the bones.
Bones.
And tip of the ribs and tip of the nose and external ears and trachea. Already we know that the cartilage is present in joints of the bones and tip of the ribs and tip of the nose and external ears, trachea and eyelashes. Next, the eyebrows of several vertebrates do not have bone but have a cartilage. And the entire skeleton of fishes like shark, the shark is made up of cartilage. The shark is
Made up of cartilage.
cartilage. Cartilage is a hard, but it is hard as a bone. Cartilage is a hard, but not as a hard bone. It is smooth in nature. Next, ligament. Ligament is another type of connective tissue. It connects the bones at the joints and holds them in the position. This is the ligament. This is the ligament. It connects bones at the joints and holds them in the position. The ligament is made up of large number of fibers. The ligament is made up of
Large number of fibers.
fibers. If these fibers are made up of protein, it is called as collagen. The fibers is made up of proteins. That protein name was collagen. The collagen is, it is very elastic in nature. And then next one is the tendon. A tendon, it is also a type of connective tissue and it is made up of
Fibers.
fiber. The ligament is also made up of fibers and the tendon is also made up of fibers. And the tendon joins the muscle to the bone and the ligament is
Made up of
connects to
more fibers.
bone at the joints and holds the position. This tendon is joins the muscle to the bone. It is also a made up of collagen. The ligament is also a made up of Protein name. Protein name. Collagen. The ligament is made up of protein. The protein name was collagen. And then the tendon is also made up of protein. That name was collagen. Next,
Collagen.
blood. Blood is also a connective tissue. And then there are different types of cells in blood, and each one has a different function. There are different types of cells in our blood, and each one has a different function. And all the cells in the blood float freely in the plasma. We know that the cell organelles are floating in the cytoplasm of the cell. And then all the cells in the blood
Float freely.
float freely in the plasma. Plasma is a fluid which contains calcium, salts, and carbon dioxide. And the extracellular spaces is filled with fluid. It is called as plasma. The extracellular spaces is filled with fluid. It is called as plasma. There are no fibers in blood, but the ligament and tendon have fibers. Next, the story of blood. What is the story of blood? Blood is a connective tissue. It is having different components. What are the different components is present in blood? Plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. The blood is also a connective tissue. It is having different components. There are red stream that flows in closed tubes in our body that is called as blood. The blood is also a type of connective tissue. The blood explains many things about us. And the blood serves to identify the wellness or illness. We are healthy or unhealthy, but the blood is the source of identifying our wellness or illness. And next one, our heart pumps nearly 36,000 liters of blood in the distance of nearly 20,000 kilometers in the time period of 24 hours. What is the color of blood? What is the color of blood?
Red.
Red in color. The blood is red in color. The blood is always not red in all animals. The cockroach has white blood. The snail blood is blue in color. The cockroach blood has white, and the snail The snail blood is blue in color. Next. Normal adults and human beings have about 5 liters of blood. Normal adult human beings about 5 liters of blood. And the chief component of blood is water. Our body contains 70% of water. The chief component is blood, is water. It stores in plasma. The water is stored in plasma. It is a fluid. It is a white color fluid. It contains calcium, salts, and carbon dioxide. Do not have hemoglobin. And it is called as glucosides. And cells are less in number when compared to RBC. The cells are less in number compared to the RBC. There are two types of leukocytes or red blood cells. And one next. These cells attack and destroy the microorganisms that enter the blood. Fight against microorganisms that enter the blood.
Correct.
And stem cells sacrifice their life to fight against the external enemy, that is microorganisms. Then white blood cells come out from, we are injured, the dead WBC come out from mouth as a pus. It is white in nature. Next, lymphocytes. The lymphocytes secretes granulocytes, neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Next, granulocytes. The granulocytes is neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. The white blood cells are also divided into neutrophils and basophils, lymphocytes, and monocytes. Neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils is the granulocytes, and lymphocyte and monocyte is the agranulocyte. Monocytes, the blood platelets are separate group of cells which do not have a The blood platelets are also called as thrombocytes. The blood platelets are separate group of cells which do not have a nucleus. They are disc. What is the function of thrombocytes, or what is the function of blood platelets? It is helps in the clotting of blood. And the clot seals the wound in blood vessel and prevents further the blood loss.
The blood.
And into four major groups. They are A blood group, B blood group, and AB blood group, and O blood group. The Karl Landsteiner, he is a German doctor. He found a new blood relation among us. He divided into human beings into four major groups. A blood group, and it is called as universal donors. One is RBC, red blood cells, and white blood cells. And blood platelets. Red blood cells are also known as erythrocytes. It is red in nature. They have red color protein that is called as hemoglobin. Because the hemoglobin, the blood protein. Sir, share, sir. Share it.